guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Bloxburg and I'm going to show you guys a house tour, and Bella's going to show you a little bit of a sneak peek, and Bella's playing with me. Say hi, Bella. Okay guys. So this is my house. It's worth money that I'm not going to say about. This is like the outside of it. Don't worry, I'm still adding more. This process is still in progress.
I was doing that. I'm gonna get my needs up and then I'm gonna go to work.
Okay, so this is what it looks like in the front, and then when you walk in, I don't know if you guys want to see my character. So this is what it looks like when you walk in.
5 hours building last night.
Yeah, we spent like 5 hours building last night, and so this is. I have a few couches around the area, and then I have a piano in the middle.
There,
and
I
then
get kicked. Nope, never mind.
And then this is the bathroom that I have.
Okay, well, let's put
And then over here, when you turn, I have like a little living room area with a little TV. It's just a little small living room. And then this is the kitchen, my favorite place of the whole house. And other places, but this is one of my favorites. I really like these counters that I got. So I have a microwave, a toaster, a mug, and a coffee maker, and like these plate holders and all that stuff. And then I have a table. And then we'll come back over here. This is going to be the backyard door. And then once you turn over here, this is my office. So I have a couch, a little rug, and then I have like some bookshelves, and then I have a little fireplace. And then I have like a little star, and then my desk and my computer and my chair, of course. And then, I don't know why Bella had to go. Bella. Call me. Meh. Back. Oh my god, I'm just a little tired. Okay, I'm gonna call her back. Wow. Okay, so then this is, back to the living room, and now we're gonna go upstairs, and I have a few rooms, so we're gonna start over here. And so this room is just a normal bedroom. Hang on guys, I'm gonna text Bella and tell her why. Okay, so then basically a basic room, a rug, a little desk, and little, oh, it's actually a TV. Okay, and then like a little clothes rack, a bed, a like time alarm clock. Oh my god. And then I have a little nightlight. And then over here, this is the bathroom. And then this is another bedroom, same layout, same stuff inside. And then now on to the master bedrooms. So this is a smaller master bedroom, but it has a desk and all that stuff, and then the bed, and it has the bathroom, and a little towel right there. And then this is the master bedroom. This is what it looks like. A desk without a TV or computer, and a little rug, and some perfume, a bed, a window, and alarm clock, and oh my god, a light. And then this is the bathroom, this is a little bit bigger. And yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the other rooms. And then over here, I have a little outside area, like a little balcony. I have 2 chairs, a desk, and a mug. Did I close it properly? Oh my god. Okay, and then now we're gonna go outside. And the outside is one of my favorite parts because it has this really cool building stuff that I have inside. And so, oh my god, why isn't this? Okay. Okay, so I have these tree houses outside. Hang on, Bella's at the front door. Does she not know I'm filming a video here? Okay, I'm right here. Chill. I'm gonna say, call me. Well, look at Bella's hair, and like, look at her outfit. So, like, I told Bella, call me and I will roommate you. Bye. JK, 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 JK. I'm gonna change her. Stop moving. Oh my god. She, like, continues moving. Wait. NVM. It was a joke. So I just love the perfect. Okay, whatever. So then let me show you guys the tree houses. I have a pink and blue one. So I'm gonna show you guys the pink one first. They're just little mini tree houses. Like, this is what they look like. You can turn on. You can. I cannot speak today. Okay, I need to turn this light on. Switch on. And then there's a little doorbell. Ring. And then you go inside here. Okay. We're not gonna do that. And I have a little bookshelf. I have a little rug with a little unicorn. This is meant to be for a girl that really likes pink, okay? And then this stuff, classic stuff, and then some music, chair, normal stuff. And I have the same thing in the other tree house, and I have a palm tree. Looks like I left this open. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Okay, so this is the same thing, but the bookshelf isn't over there. So this is what it looks like. Same stuff. And then over here in the front yard, I'm gonna get some like soccer stuff, like to play soccer. And I'm thinking of building a school. That's what Bella's doing. And so yeah. So in the front yard, I have these like little lanterns that I can turn on during the night, and when someone wants to come to my house, they don't have to be like, oh my god, it's so dark out here. They can just go like this, so they can see, and they can see the path and stuff. Okay, anyways, so I have like a little tree here, some bushes, some mushrooms, some flowers. And I also have a tree over there. And then this is my garage. And then this is my car, and this is my bicycle. Oh, Bella. Yes, Bella, yes. Okay, we're gonna enter build mode. I'm gonna say sorry. If you come back, I will give you a roommate, girl. Okay, so we're gonna color this thingamabob. Let's go ahead and color it purple. I love the color purple, guys. Like, especially that little color purple. I love purple. Okay, and then that will be purple as well. Okay, and then this is basically my overall overview of my house. Okay, there she is. Here you go. Stop moving. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Please comment down below if you guys want if you guys want another, like, if you want my house to be better. And I'm not going to go away how much my house was because that's just, I'm just not going to do that because I just don't want to. Like, all I can say, it's over $1 million, and so is Bella's house. It's over $1 million. And so that's basically my house. And comment down below if you want me to build a school. Okay, I'll see you all next time. Goodbye!